Hey, we're working on number 6 in chapter 21. I'll just read it and then kind of see what the screen says as far as what I've got drawn. I've got a 10.2 centimeter diameter wide coil. It is initially oriented so that its plane is perpendicular to the magnetic field of 0.63, pointing up. During the course of 0.15 seconds, the field changed to 1 of 0.25, pointing down. What is the average induced EMF of the coil? Okay, so let me first go here. Oops, before I ruin another video. Let's go here. How about that? The EMF, right, is produced by a delta phi over a delta t. Well, what's our phi? Phi1 is going to be equal to B1A1, and Phi2 is going to be B2A2. Let's see, not tall enough. Let's see if we can get that in there, right? Nope. Let's see if I can get that in there. All right. So I can get a delta phi because my B is changing, right? From an upward of 0.63 to a downward, so we've got a positive to a negative, and so that delta B is going to be greater, right? And the area is going to stay the same. So really, what is my delta B? My delta B, is that showing up? Is that showing up? Right? My delta B is going to be the 0.63 minus a negative 0.25. Okay, that's in Teslas. My area again will stay the same, but my area, right, is going to be pi r squared, or I can rewrite that pi d squared over 4. Just some algebra tricks. What was that diameter? 10.2, right? Diameter equals 10.2. So radius will equal 5.1, so pi times 5.1 squared. So I've got my area. I've got my delta B, or my different B, B1 and B2, and I've got that delta B that's going to be impactful, so it looks like it's 0.88. 0.88 Teslas is my delta B. And so delta phi, right, over delta t, which I think your delta t is 0.15 seconds. So you can see how that field is changing. My B is changing from upward to downward. My area is staying the same. It's oriented perpendicular to it. And then I have to see my phi is the product of field times area. So if I find my change in phi multiplied by the area, which is the same, and divide by my delta t of 0.15, I should be able to find my answer for number 6. Hope that helps.